was a regular morning in the city. The roads were crowded, horns were blaring, and people were rushing, some to work, some to school, some just chasing time. Among them was Alan, a calm, cheerful man riding his scooter. He wasn't in a hurry. He liked starting his day with peace, a smile, and a positive mind. He believed that no matter how noisy the world got, your peace depended on what you carried inside. But that morning, something unexpected happened. A huge garbage truck came speeding out of a side lane. It almost hit Alan's scooter and splashed dirty water all over him. "Hey, watch where you're going!" "What's your problem, huh?" "You people don't know how to drive." "Alan, don't let him talk to you like that. Say something back." "It's okay, brother. Have a good day." No anger, no argument, just calmness. The crowd was surprised, but Alan, he looked peaceful. A few minutes later, Alan and his friends stopped for tea. "Alan, why didn't you shout back? He insulted you in front of everyone." "Because a garbage truck only gives smell, my friend. People only give what they have inside." "What do you mean?" "Think about it. That man's mind is full of anger, stress, frustration. That's the garbage he carries. So when he opens his mouth, that's what comes out. If I take that garbage and throw it back, the whole street will stink. But if I stay calm, the smell stops with me." That one line stayed with his friend all day. Later at work, his boss scolded him harshly for a small mistake. "You never do anything right." The old him would have shouted back, but this time he took a deep breath, remembered Alan's words. "All right, sir, I'll fix it." And that day, something changed. The anger stopped there. It didn't spread further. One person's peace became another person's inspiration. Life is full of people carrying their own garbage: anger, jealousy, frustration, bitterness. But remember, a garbage truck only gives smell. People only give what they have inside. If someone throws negativity at you, don't catch it. Smile and let it go. Alan helping someone pick up dropped papers, smiling, walking away calmly. Because what you carry inside, peace, love, kindness, that's what you'll spread. So fill yourself with good things. The world around you will start to smell a lot sweeter. Give what you have, make it something good. Moral: people can only give what they carry inside them. If someone gives you anger, respond with peace, and you'll change not just yourself, but the world around you.